Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, I am creating this video for guidance to make tilawat in a competition where you're given time of only 3 minutes. Actually, normally for beginners, it's very difficult to finish your tilawat in 3 minutes. But believe me, it's very easy to, rather it's more convenient to finish your tilawat in 3 minutes. So I'm going to guide you today how to make tilawat in, how to finish a full-fledged tilawat in 3 minutes so that you can get a good position in a competition. So let's start with few ayat, and inshallah ta'ala the very important thing to remember is that if you are, let's say if you have to reach the rooftop and you have to cross the stairs, if you have enough time, you can cross one stair at a time. But if you are given a very short time and you have to quickly cover all that distance, so what you do is normally you take 2 or 3 steps at a time. In just one jump, you take 2 or 3 steps. So the same way, you have to finish your tilawat in a very short time so that your tilawat is full-fledged, complete, and it's also fruitful for you to take any position. So I'm having a watch with me, and I'm going to start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كانت لهم جنات الفردوس نزلا خالدين فيها لا يبغون عنها حولا قل لو كان البحر مدادا لكلمات ربي لنفد البحر قبل أن تنفد كلمات ربي لنفد البحر قبل أن تنفذ كلمات ربي ولو جئنا بمثله مددا قل إنما بشر مثلكم يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فمن كان يرجو لقاء ربه فليعمل عملا صالحا ولا يشرك بعبادة ربه ولا يشرك بعبادة ربه أحدا. صدق الله العظيم. I hope this video will be fruitful for you and beneficial for you, and I would like you to subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos whenever I upload. جزاكم الله أحسن الجزاء. بارك الله فيكم وفي أهلكم.